got a lot of breaks.
There's no way I can say that I know how you're feeling. It's impossible if we're trying to be real, you know. But I feel I can still be of service with a few raspy rants and a heart that can hear your woes.
That's a fucking G, dog.
So from here I can hear from just where you were coming, and by empathizing, frustration stops running the show. You know that despair can be cunning, and music is strong and can help overcoming. So here you go. We can't go on living like this. There's something wrong, something's amiss. Don't gotta try, you know you feel it. Face down in the dirt, lying barely intact. I'm trying to get up, but your foot's on my back, you win. I can't lie here all battered and broken. If that's what you're asking, I'm knocking, just let me in.
Knock it off, dude.
We can't go on living like this. There's something wrong, something's amiss. Don't gotta try, you know you feel it. I never thought it'd end like this. No sweet goodbye, no farewell kiss. Lord knows I'll try, giving all I've got inside.
It used to be like that. Like,
Don't gotta try, know you feel it. I never thought it'd end like this. No sweet goodbye, no farewell kiss. Lord knows I've tried, giving all I've got inside.